Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you modern bathroom wall tile design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.
When it comes to decorating your bathroom, a little bit tile can go a long way. They protect your walls, water damage and toothpaste smudges alike. But just because bathroom tiles are practical doesn't mean they can't look good. When it comes to choosing the perfect bathroom tiles, there is so much to consider. You can go with subway tiles for a classic look, experiment with an unexpected shape like hexagons, or even choose to incorporate multiple graphic patterns into your bathroom. The options are endless. Bathroom wall tiles is available in surprising number of materials. Ceramic, porcelain and vinyl tiles are what comes to mind first. And for good reason, they are perhaps the most practical option. The first thing to consider about when choosing the bathroom tile idea is where the tile will be used. For example, the tile in a family bathroom will be exposed to a lot of water, grime, and cleaning chemicals. The best wall tiles for is one that durable, stand up to moisture and easy to maintain, such as ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles. On the other hand, the best tile for a small guest bath may be a one chosen more dramatic style than else of maintenance, such as glass mosaic tiles. Ceramic tiles is long lasting and easy to maintain with its countless designs ranging from traditional to modern or vintage designs, patterns and solid ceramic tiles works equally on floors and walls. Available in striking herringbone patterns, colorful graphics and all white, ceramic tiles is both a versatile and practical way to express your style in a bathroom. Subway tiles are far the most popular bathroom tiles. Subway tiles can be used both on walls and floor to give seamless look, easy to install and budget friendly. Subway tiles is contrasting colors can be used to create colorful horizontal lines and other patterns. Porcelain tile is rich, warm and inviting, available in wide range of colors and looks. Porcelain is durable and designed to last in any bathroom. Porcelain mosaic tiles can add a unique and vibrant dip to the walls of your showers. Although you can use glazed porcelain on the floor of your bath, it is not as durable as ceramic. Try porcelain tiles in contemporary bold colors to perk up your neutral bath. Porcelain tiles, known as the most durable type of tiles on the market. Porcelain is harder, tougher and less porous than ceramic tiles. Glass mosaic tiles, colorful glass tiles fit contemporary and minimalist spaces and provides a dramatic contrast to natural stone walls. Ideal for wet spaces like your shower, surrounding and above the bathroom vanity. Both glass and other mosaic tiles come in many colors and shapes. The added sheen of glass tile also add deep to your bathroom walls. Try using a combination of glass, porcelain and ceramic tiles for a casual yet refined look. Keep wall tiles simple with monochromatic color schemes or feature hues in particular color palettes. Classic white ceramic tiles bring clean lines and modern simplicity to any bath. Decorative pattern style is ideal transactional spaces. It also complement art decor and vintage styles. Anytime you are putting any tile on wall, a key consideration should be weight. Most real natural stones such as marble and granite are very heavy and should be installed by a professional. You can, however, use ceramic or porcelain wall tiles made to keep like natural stones. They are also much easier to install and more budget friendly. Tile ideas for small bathrooms cover everything from plain and simple to luxurious and elegant look. They are an ideal space to get creative with the bathroom wall tiles. Mix different tiles materials to match your personal style. Try unusual colors plus small bathrooms can high-end tiles option as granite more affordable. Try oversized tiles. Small tiles can make a small bathroom feel busy and crowded, but big tiles in a small bathroom can give it a more spacious feel. Choose neutral colors or all white tiles for calming effects. A horizontal stripe made out of a medium tiles at eye level will also give the illusions of wider walls. Mix up tile patterns. Play with patterns in bathroom. Bathroom floor and wall tiles don't have to match. Different size tile design in monochromatic color palette will keep the eye moving, making a small bath appear more interesting and less cramped. Combine multiple type of tiles to get a total custom bathroom. Pair a monochromatic palette for serious visual impact and play around with layer of subway, hexagons and square tiles for a great bathroom makeover. White bathroom wall tiles is probably the most popular solution in your bathroom. White brightens the interior, it gives a sense of order and lightness. In combination with shiny glaze, it introduces mirror reflection which visually widen the room. White tiles have always been and are the probably will one of the most popular chosen the bathroom colors. I hope this video will help you to choose the best bathroom wall tile design ideas for your bathroom. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And you can also follow my Instagram accounts. It's Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas. And thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.